First step of changing the toilet is to close the valve. We have here test gloves.
One more time.
Because you never know what is inside the pipes. Doctor is ready. Then you must connect this pipe from the holding tank to the new toilet, and the best option is to unscrew these screws like this. Then take the new piece, put it inside like this. You can turn this piece, check the valve. We have new one. Is in complete in the set, new toilet. Then connect everything together back. Now we must find the old holes for the screws, because before this Jabsco we have Johnson toilet and the mount system is the same, so we have only to put the old one old screws to the same places. And remember, the important thing here is to put one here and the second across. Somewhere. And for this I using K number 13. Now when you have the screws around ready and the toilet is stable, nothing is moving, then you must remember to connect the hose clamps to the pipe outlet pipe, and one hose clamps must be like this on this side and the second on the reverse. Is better holding, and of course the same situation here on the inlet to the toilet. You have only one place where you can connect this hose. You can use normal screwdriver, or this, the key like this is number 7 or 8, I don't remember. I don't have the rest of my tools, so I use the normal screwdriver for now. The important thing is, when you have tools on your boat, remember to use the stainless steel screws, and when you have stainless steel screws, use the tools with only stainless steel connection. Don't use your sailing your tools from your boat on the another stuff, because then you lose stainless steel protection on the boat. So it's important. And when everything is ready, we can make the test. Here you have selector, water intake, water is coming, so check if the leaks anywhere, no leaks. Then take water out. Then check, of course, the leaks. No leaks. So now we can start with mounting the desk, of course. This and the butterflies, half of the butterflies. We put this here, here, then mount to the toilet like this and put it from behind. And now it's ready. Ta-da!